Hi friends, this is Vivan and today we have the brand new Treasure X. As you know, the old Treasure X, you have sand, you have to dig in to find your hunter and you have to build your hunter. But in this, my friends, the brand new Treasure X aliens which have just crash landed, you get alien dissection, you get crow slime, and you also get a space gem which is a real hunt. So let's get started with the dissection. But for this, let's get some feel. So with me here, I have my lab coat. Let me just wear that for you. I suppose this is too big for me. It's not too bad. Now let me wear my badge. It says Alien Dissection Unit. Let me just wear that for you. So here with me, I have the mission objective. And it says your mission is to use your tool to dissect through 12 levels of adventure to rescue a treasure hunter inside his belly. So what are we waiting for? Let's start with the dissection. So it's written here to peel. So let me just peel that. This is the alien that we are going to dissect today. And this is the main tool which we need to dissect the alien. So this is the danger line which we are going to cut through with a dissecting tool. So let's start cutting through this danger line. An ooze container. I think that this is used for storing the ooze in a while. So let me just take out the ooze container from this pack. We found, let me just check what that is. So this is our mission objective. It tells the names of the gems which we get. Then on the other side we have the names of the aliens and our hunter. So let me just check how to open this. There's a lid. Pull that off. There you go. Let me just keep that there. Oh, that looks so cool. Let me just take out this alien. That's our alien. And it's ready to cut here. So let's start cutting. His rib cage. Let's just take that out. Let's just keep that there for a while. We have a sack and it's written to cut through this line. Gross, look at that slime. I don't think it'll work with the tweezer. Let me use my hands. Ta-da! We have found our hunter! Let's take out all that slime. And oh god. That's so sticky. And it's fun too. Let me just keep the slime there. We found his weapon. How cool is that? It looks so good. That's so squeezy. First, let's check which hunter we've got. So, we have got Duke of Clanker in the Cosmic Knights. Cosmic Knights, Duke of Clanker. Now let's check which critter have we got. We have got critter number 3. That's critter number 3. Now let's check which space gem have we got. Oh my god! We have got the real gem! Look at this! Look at this! We have got the real gem! I am the luckiest person in the world! Oh my god! I can't get over this that I've got the real gem. So let me just keep this over and let's move on further. Okay, we have a bonus. We can pop his head off as I read in this, and then we put up the flap, take our ooze and fill it in this head. Ah, that's squishy. Let's put that in there, in there, in there. Let's put the flap back. Let's stick our alien, put his head on, and for the moment that we have been waiting for, let's ooze it! Ooze it! So let's put our ooze in this ooze container. Let's also put our critter. Oh, we forgot one thing. A precious gem, so that nobody takes it from me now. Let's close our ooze container, and ta-da! We're done! So friends, I enjoyed unboxing this Treasure X alien. If you enjoyed with me, go buy it for yourself. Only available now in ELC.